How's it going, guys? So today is February 25th. I haven't really vlogged in a little while since we came back from California. I've taken some video here and there, but today I started working on the truck. So if you don't know, I'm a photographer and I had this idea of a mobile photo studio. So I decided to stop running it, but I don't want to get rid of the truck because I really like it, and I'm thinking about maybe converting it over to an RV. And so because of that, I'm gonna start putting the shelves down that you see behind me. It's basically gonna be bunk bed that can go up right here, a little shower or slash kind of toilet, and then it's gonna be another set of benches that's gonna convert into basically like kind of like a queen size bed. The bunk beds here are gonna be almost twin size, and then at the end it's gonna be like a little kitchenette slash little work area. On this side, I'm gonna leave this bench since all the batteries and the inverters are in there already. I don't want to break this down. I am gonna put some cabinets right here. TV is gonna be here. The second bench for the queen size bed is gonna be on here, and then some cabinets. I'm just gonna put a couple of 5-gallon water tanks in here. So something that you can, pull out, take to the beach, refill, empty, whatever, and then put them back in. Hopefully, if I can get some money from those pipes, it's about $1,000 that I spent just on that. And that should be able to pay for all the things that I need to do. Hey guys, we're taking a break from working on the truck to get some free tennis lessons.
Cover. Back to the middle. Good. And if I pull you up this way, it goes that way. Good. Nice, ladies. There you go. That's it. I like the covering. Good. Good. Here we go. If I pull you up that way. Whoa, I like it. There you go. Oh, here we go. Overhead. And overhead.
Say cheese. Cheese. It's video. Take the cheese, the cheese. Take the hashite. Take the hashite.
Come on! Okay.
No, Mama, 写真じゃないよ、ビデオ。
もういいよ。
Alright guys, so I'm back at the truck. It's been 2 days since the last time I was working on it. Last time I put up the walls right here for the wet room, bathroom, shower. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it into a shower yet, since we're trying to keep it simple. But it's about 24 inches by 35 inches, so that means it's my shoulder width, so I can fit in there. I already got the toilet in the mail. Right now I'm contemplating whether I should put a bunk bed or not. I still want to put it, but my wife made a good point that it's nice and open, but if I put the bunk bed, which is going to be right around here, it's going to close everything, and then I'm actually going to have to duck to get in there and sit down. So we're thinking maybe we can come up with something else. This is where the bed for us is going to be. Little kitchenette, little countertop area. Friday all the way to Sunday, I got army drill, so I won't be able to work on it. If I do, it's going to be at night once it's dark. But the weather got a little bit better now, so I should be able to take stuff out, be able to work outside without getting everything wet, because the last few days were crazy rainy and cold. Alright guys, so I'm back at the truck. This weekend was kind of busy because I had an army drill. I slept here on those days, but I didn't get much done because I got done so late that I was tired, and so really the only thing that I accomplished during this weekend is put up this thing right here for the curtain, so we can just close it down and get some privacy. That was pretty much it. I did do some details, like right here. I put some shelves here so I can put a door here so it's not all the way open like that. And then I put a drawer down here and a drawer down here. Put the doors for the cabinets on top. I'm gonna go grab the wood for the bunk bed that's gonna go right here. Make a stairs, but I only have today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday, and then Wednesday we gotta get out of the house because they need to clean it for the people that rented it out. I don't have a lot of time, but thankfully we don't fly to the Big Island for a while, so even after we leave the house, I'll still have time to finish off some of the things, like the cabinets in the back, the little kitchenette and all that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over to Lowe's, buy some stuff, and I'll try to finish this up. They're gonna cancel. Good morning guys, today we ended up in the truck. It's not completely done yet, but I got the bunk beds done, and then Lisa slept here last night. Magu slept here, I guess she's short enough. I got the little kitchenette started. I got to install some stuff. I got the refrigerator and microwave in there with the closet for us and the closet for the girls. This is the bathroom here. And then I got the TV going, and our third line from the business, put it on here for Wi-Fi. So basically getting LTG and passing it over to a Wi-Fi. And the truck is pretty much done as far as the components. I just got to get all the details done. But we decided to stay here last night because as our place got rented, we needed a place to stay, and we were scheduled to go to the Big Island on Monday, but we decided to cancel that too because of the whole coronavirus scare. Everybody's kind of panicking a little bit, so just to be safe, we decided to just stay here. So we're gonna end up staying in this van for about a week before we get back to our place, which is literally 2-3 blocks away. And then yeah, we can finish it up after that. I did a few things, like I put the door in here and a couple other things just to make it a little bit nicer. But I'm about to set up the bed, the queen size bed, so we're gonna use it for the first time. Let's go here. We just bought this one today. And that's it. The only issue that I'm having is that if you stand right in this edge, the other side comes up, but it doesn't come completely up, so it should be okay. I can sit here 250 pounds and nothing happens. So there's enough bed spacing without having to set up this thing, but it's nice to have anyways.